Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your designer unlimited access and signing in. This unlocks higher-res exports and advanced templates. Next, pick the project type so the canvas defaults to the right ratio and import your core assets: logo, hero image, brand fonts, because designer tailors suggestions to what you provide. Once the files are in, use the presets to speed layout decisions so you can focus on composition instead of starting from scratch. This reduces revisions later and keeps your brand consistent. You now refine the visual story by exploring suggested layouts. Designer's AI proposes alternatives, swap images, or change text in one click to compare options quickly. Make deliberate tweaks, adjust color palettes to match brand values, scale typography for hierarchy, and use alignment guides for balanced spacing. Once satisfied, lock components you want to preserve and reorder layers to control overlap. These steps let you iterate confidently while maintaining consistency across variations and export sizes. You finish by choosing export settings that match your destination: PNG or JPG for web, SVG for scalable graphics, PDF for print. Set DPI where needed. Then share using a link or send files directly through Teams or OneDrive, and make use of version history to restore prior edits if needed. If the export looks wrong or assets fail to load, clear your browser cache, verify your Designer Unlimited license is active, and re-upload any corrupted files to resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.